In today's video, let's talk about how to use Airbnb's Reserve Now and Pay Later feature. Now, before you get into this, feature is only available if the host has made it available. So if the host has made this feature available where the guests can reserve now and pay later, only then that option would be visible inside of a particular listing. So what you can do is head over to the listing or the property that you're trying to book, tap on the reserve option, and make sure that under the choose when to pay, you'll be able to see the option which says reserve now or pay later. In this case, or in my current case, as you can see, it says pay part now and pay later. As I said, depending upon the host, you may or may not have the option. So either you may have the full payment option, the part payment option, or the pay later option. So you can simply tap on this option as your when to pay option and then tap on next. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.